frying chicken. It sounds simple, but what if I told you that behind every crispy bite lies a system so massive and so tightly controlled that it almost feels unreal? Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered how KFC manages to produce billions of perfectly golden, crispy, and addictive fried chicken pieces while maintaining the exact same taste every single time? Whether it's a legendary original recipe, the fiery hot and spicy that hits your taste buds like a shockwave, or those small, juicy nuggets packed with flavor. Let's be honest. How many times have you taken a bite and unconsciously licked your fingers? But the real story goes far beyond taste. KFC's success isn't just about flavor. It's built on a hyper-controlled supply chain where every single piece is monitored with precision. From high-tech farms to advanced frying systems, every step is engineered for one goal: perfection. And today, we're going inside those massive production facilities, the hidden system that turned KFC into the Elon Musk of the fried chicken world. But here's the twist. This story doesn't start in a factory, it starts with a dream. Back in the 1930s, Colonel Harlan Sanders experimented with 11 secret herbs and spices. At the time, no one could have imagined that it would turn into a global obsession. From a small roadside diner to over 27,000 locations worldwide, KFC didn't just grow, it dominated. Every single year, over 1 billion chickens become part of the system. And if chickens could understand numbers, they'd probably be planning their escape. But the reality is, every crispy bite begins at modern poultry farms where everything is automated, processing 8,000 to 10,000 chickens per hour, with machines gently guiding them onto conveyor belts, minimizing stress or at least making it look that way. Then trucks transport them to processing plants where everything is timed and calculated, giving them a short rest of 1 to 2 hours for quality before they are placed onto automated rails, followed by a controlled stunning process using electricity or gas. And within seconds, everything changes. Hot water baths loosen feathers. Rotating rubber fingers remove them. Cutting systems process up to 10,000 legs per hour. Vacuum systems remove internal organs. Scanners detect defects, and anything that doesn't meet the standard is instantly rejected. Wings are processed at 20,000 per hour. Bodies are split at 12,000 per hour. Thighs at 15,000 per hour. Everything happens with such speed and precision that it feels less like cooking and more like a high-tech operation. Then comes the stage where the real transformation happens. Dry batter, wet batter, and a final coating that creates that signature crispy texture before the pieces enter industrial fryers at around 177 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, turning raw meat into golden perfection every single time. And just when you think that's the end, KFC adds another twist. Chicken nuggets, but the story doesn't end with fried chicken. Because those crispy nuggets you love so much go through a process that's just as intense and precisely engineered. These bite-sized pieces are made from finely ground chicken blended with KFC's signature seasonings, creating that rich, addictive flavor. But what happens next is where the real transformation begins. The nuggets move through an automated dry battering station, where every piece is evenly coated, then pass through a wet battering system that locks in moisture and helps maintain their perfect shape during frying, followed by an additional coating, sometimes even panko breadcrumbs, to create that extra crunch you instantly recognize. Then comes the heat, as they're fried at around 170 to 180 degrees Celsius for just 2 to 3 minutes, forming a crispy golden crust while keeping the inside juicy and flavorful, and within moments, they are sealed, packed, and shipped across the world. But the journey actually starts much earlier, in highly advanced poultry farms where technology controls almost everything. Here, artificial insemination is used to ensure breed quality and maximize efficiency, with farmers carefully collecting and testing semen before precisely injecting it into hens to achieve the highest fertilization rates. And within days, eggs begin to appear smooth, perfect, and immediately transferred onto automated conveyor systems that can handle up to 300,000 eggs per day. But even then, the process isn't complete, because each egg is moved into high-tech incubators where temperature and humidity are controlled with extreme precision, maintaining around 37.5 to 38 degrees Celsius, and rotating every few hours to ensure proper development. Until after 21 days, tiny chicks break free, unknowingly entering a system designed to turn them into something much bigger. And just when you think this entire system is only about chicken, the story shifts again, because wheat, yes, simple wheat, goes through a transformation just as complex. From massive silo towers that store millions of pounds while controlling temperature and humidity, to roller mills that carefully remove the outer husk and extract the endosperm. The process continues through multiple grinding and sifting stages to produce semolina, which is then mixed with water, kneaded, filtered, and shaped into pasta using high-speed extruders capable of producing millions of strands every minute. The pasta is then dried, cooled, and packaged with precision, ensuring long shelf life and perfect texture, before moving into yet another transformation: pizza production. Here, flour, water, yeast, and oil are blended into dough, rolled into perfect shapes, coated with sauce, layered with cheese and toppings by robotic arms, and either frozen for storage or baked at extreme temperatures until golden and ready to eat. And just when it seems like you've seen everything, another process emerges: almond farming, where vast fields, advanced irrigation systems, and even millions of bees come together in one of the largest pollination events on Earth. At this point, you start to realize something unsettling. This isn't just food production anymore. It's a global system of precision, automation, and control that connects everything, from farms to factories to your plate. And once you see it, you can't unsee it, but just when you think you've seen everything, the system reveals yet another layer, one that stretches far beyond chicken, and into a global network of food production that feels almost unstoppable. It begins with an incredible collaboration between beekeepers and almond farmers, where millions of bees work tirelessly to pollinate vast orchards, allowing trees to reach full maturity by the 7th year, and continue producing for decades. And after months under the intense summer sun, the almonds signal they're ready as their outer hulls split open like nature itself is giving the green light. That's when the real action begins. Massive machines known as tree shakers clamp onto the trunks and unleash powerful vibrations, causing thousands of almonds to rain down in seconds, a process that looks almost unreal but is executed with extreme precision. From there, sweepers glide across the orchard floor, using rotating brushes to gather almonds into perfectly organized rows, setting the stage for pickup machines that vacuum them up while filtering out dust, leaves, and debris, ensuring only clean almonds move forward. What follows is a highly controlled cleaning and processing system where sticks, stones, and impurities are removed using specialized machines, before the almonds are hulled, inspected by cameras, and cracked open with just enough force to preserve the kernel inside. Every piece is sorted, scanned, and even double-checked by human workers to guarantee flawless quality before moving into sterilization processes like steam pasteurization, eliminating harmful bacteria without compromising flavor. Then comes transformation. Some almonds are roasted to perfection. Others are turned into sweet toffee by heating sugar and butter into a golden mixture before blending the nuts, while others take a completely different path into products like almond milk. And just when it seems like the system couldn't expand any further, it shifts again, this time to vibrant fields of bell peppers, where colors signal flavor and ripeness, and advanced harvesting machines move through rows collecting up to 20,000 pounds per hour, shaking loose the peppers, cleaning them mid-process, and sorting them in real time. Yet even with all this automation, human hands still play a role, carefully selecting perfect produce in traditional harvesting methods or inside high-tech greenhouses, where conditions are fully controlled. And now, with robotic harvesters equipped with optical sensors and precision arms capable of detecting ripeness and picking with accuracy, the line between nature and machine is disappearing faster than ever. At this point, one thing becomes clear. This isn't just farming anymore. It's a global, high-speed system of precision, control, and automation that connects everything from the ground to your plate. And once you truly understand how it works, it changes the way you see every single bite forever. And just when it seems like the system couldn't get any more precise, the process evolves again, this time driven by machines that can see, decide, and act with incredible accuracy. Advanced robotic harvesters delicately snip each pepper from its stem and place it onto a specialized conveyor belt, sending it directly toward the packing area with minimal bruising and maximum efficiency, ensuring that quality is never compromised. As the harvest comes to an end, crates filled with vibrant red, yellow, and green peppers stack up, ready to continue their journey into highly controlled factory environments where technology and human precision work side by side. The moment these peppers arrive, automated arms unload them onto conveyor systems, while quality control teams immediately begin inspecting, removing any damaged or imperfect pieces before the cleaning process begins. The selected peppers are submerged in large water tanks, washed with clean or lightly sanitized water to remove dirt and contaminants, while high-pressure nozzles spray from every angle to ensure a deep cleanse, followed by soft rotating brushes that polish their surface and enhance their natural shine. And finally, an air-drying system removes excess moisture, preparing them for sorting. From here, everything becomes even more calculated, as automated conveyors organize the peppers into neat rows where high-resolution optical sensors scan each one, identifying size, color, and quality in real time, while weighing systems measure each piece with precision before mechanical pushers redirect them into separate lanes. In some advanced facilities, artificial intelligence takes over this step, detecting even the smallest imperfections invisible to the human eye, although human inspectors still serve as a final checkpoint, ensuring nothing less than perfection moves forward. Once approved, the peppers are carefully packaged depending on market demand, whether stacked in ventilated crates for export or sealed in retail-friendly packaging designed to preserve freshness and prevent damage, each labeled with origin, packing date, and quality standards before entering cold storage and eventually being shipped worldwide. But not all peppers are sold fresh, as a portion is directed into the canning process, where they are trimmed with razor-sharp automated blades that remove stems, seeds, and cores instantly, or in some cases by skilled workers using specialized tools, before moving into a blanching system where they are briefly immersed in hot water to preserve their vibrant color and prevent spoilage. Afterward, the peppers are transferred into sterilized cans or jars, filled with precise preservative solution, and sealed before undergoing high-pressure steam sterilization at extreme temperatures, eliminating bacteria while maintaining flavor and texture. Once cooled, the containers are stacked, secured, and prepared for storage or distribution, completing a journey that transforms a simple vegetable into a global food staple. And when you step back and look at the bigger picture, bell peppers are no longer just ingredients. They're part of a vast, interconnected system that blends nature, technology, and human expertise, appearing in dishes across the world, from elegant French ratatouille to hearty stuffed peppers and smoky grilled skewers. At this point, one thing becomes impossible to ignore. What you're seeing isn't just food production anymore. It's a highly engineered system designed for speed, perfection, and global scale, and once you truly understand it, every bite starts to feel a little different.